Welcome back, traders. If you are looking to level up your trading game, then you are in the right place. All right. In this video, we are going to be diving into the Forex gold scalping trading system. Okay, it's a strategy that is perfect for those who love quick, precise trades and want to maximize every opportunity in the gold market. Okay, now gold has always been a popular asset in the Forex world, especially for scalpers, right? Those who thrive on short-term price movements. But how do you effectively trade gold with a scalping strategy? Well, that's exactly what we're going to be discussing in this video. Okay, we're just going to be breaking down the Forex gold scalping trading system step by step. First off, let's quickly recap what scalping is for those of you who might be new to scalping. Okay, now scalping basically is a trading strategy where you make quick trades, usually holding positions for just a few minutes or even a few seconds, right? And the aim is to capture small price movements. For example, when you are scalping, literally, you can enter a position and close it here, and enter another one here and close it here. Then enter a sell and close it here, and enter a buy and close it here. And most of the time, scalping is done on smaller time frames, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minute charts, right? You want to capture every price movement possible. All right, now it's true that you might have different kinds of scalpers, with different personalities, right? Some scalpers might literally open a lot of trades within some few minutes, or rather within, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes. They might open a lot of trades, while some scalpers might prefer to just open few trades in minutes. Perhaps it could be an average of a trade in 2 minutes or a trade in 5 minutes and all of that. Okay, so different scalpers might have different strategies. Yeah, even in terms of scalping, there are still different strategies. But generally, from the wider overview, scalping is a fast-paced strategy. Okay, now why gold? Why gold? Gold is one of the most liquid and volatile assets in the Forex market, making it ideal for scalping. The price of gold can move significantly within short periods, creating opportunities for traders to profit from these fluctuations. All right, and because gold is influenced by a variety of economic factors, it's often easier to predict short-term movements compared to other assets. Now let us get into the Forex gold scalping trading system. This system is all about precision, right? The key is to enter trades quickly when the market shows signs of momentum and exit just as fast before the price turns against you. So we use technical indicators to pinpoint these movements, or rather these moments of opportunity. Okay, first we rely on two main indicators, which are the EMA, the exponential moving average, and the RSI. So I'm just going to be adding the EMA to the chart. I'm going to add the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA to the charts. All right, we're going to be adding both indicators to the chart right away. All right, and then I'm also going to be adding the RSI to the chart, the relative strength index. All right, now let's talk about the EMA. In this strategy, we use the 50 period and 200 period EMAs to identify the trend direction. Okay, the 50 EMA, which is this red color, it helps us to identify short-term trend. All right, it's our short-term trend indicator, while the 200 EMA is our long-term trend indicator. Okay, so when the price is above the 50 and 200 EMAs, it shows that we are in an uptrend. And when the price is below the 50 and 200 EMAs, it shows that we are in a downtrend. All right, so when you are scalping gold, the first thing you want to do is check whether the price is above or below the EMAs. If the price is above both, look for buy opportunities. All right, if the price is below both, look for sell opportunities. Of course, you should never enter a trade based on just one indicator. So that is where the next step comes in. All right. So next up, we use the RSI to confirm our entries. Okay. The RSI helps us to identify whether the market is overbought or oversold. Now, when RSI is above 70, all right, when RSI is above 70, yeah, it indicates that gold may be overbought, meaning that the price could reverse to the downside soon. Okay, and in this particular scenario, we can see that the RSI gave us a sell signal as it was in the overbought territory, and shortly afterwards we had a brief pullback to the downside. Okay, and then we had a continuation because this was actually a bullish trend. All right, and that's one of the important reasons why it's good to trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, anyways, if we're in an uptrend, the RSI drops below the 30. For example, if we're in an uptrend like in this situation and you see the RSI drop to the 30 level and starts pointing upward, it's a strong buy signal. For example, in this case, if you had entered a buy here, coupled with the fact that this is a bullish trend, so you have a higher chance of making even more profits because you are getting a buy signal in a buy trend. Okay, so you get the gist. By combining trend analysis from the EMA and the momentum signal from the RSI, you are setting yourself up for success. All right? But that is not all. Let us talk about how to enter and exit these trades. All right? Now that we've identified the trend and confirmed our entry with RSI, it's time to focus on the actual trade execution. Since this is a scalping strategy, you will want to enter trades as soon as the setup aligns. Timing is critical here, so don't wait too long. Okay? For the entry, we look for candlestick patterns, that confirms the trend direction. For example, in an uptrend like this, if you see a bullish engulfing, right? Remember, a bullish engulfing is one in which the buy candle covers the entire body of the previous sell candle. All right, the buy candle covers the entire body of the previous sell candle. So in a situation like this, when you find a bullish engulfing or you find any other bullish candlestick pattern or a strong upward move just after the RSI had dropped to the 30 level, it's time to enter a buy. Okay, and you set your stop loss just below the recent swing low. So if we enter a buy around here, we can set our stop loss right below this recent swing low. Okay, now for the exit, we aim for a small profit target. Typically, you want to close your position when the price moves in your favor by 5 to 10 pips. Okay, so you can use the RSI to help determine when to exit. If the RSI reaches overbought territory in a buy trade or oversold territory in a sell trade, that is your cue to close the trade and take your profits. All right. Of course, risk management is key to any successful trading strategy. With scalping, your risk to reward ratio may be lower compared to swing trading. Okay, but with tight stop losses and frequent trades, you can still manage risk effectively. All right. Now, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Okay, always use a stop loss to protect your position and make sure to adjust it as the trade moves in your favor to lock in profits. All right. Additionally, always trade with a clear plan and stick to it. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Now, to summarize the Forex Gold Scalping trading system, the steps are simple but effective. The first is to identify the trend with the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. The second is to confirm your entry with RSI, look for overbought or oversold conditions. Thirdly, enter the trade with a precise stop loss and set your profit target. Always follow risk management principles to protect your account. Okay, that's the final point to consider. Now, the combination of the EMA and RSI helps you time your trades perfectly, allowing you to capitalize on those quick price movements in the gold market. If you found this strategy helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth trading strategies like this one. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching and good luck with your trading.